Hello everyone and welcome to another WIX tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to restore an old site version in WIX. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to come here to your WIX backend, and then you're going to go to the search bar and you are going to type site history. So once you type site history, you are going to find this option that says site history. You are going to click it, a new tab is going to open, and on the left hand side, once your editor opens, you are going to see all the previous versions of your website. So you can actually preview the versions and you can click here and you can say restore if you want to restore a previous version of your WIX website. And that's all for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. One more time, all you have to do, look for site history, click on it. On the left-hand side, you're going to see the history of all your website changes. If you want, you can preview them, you can click restore, and that's all you need to do. Again, let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.